Hello everyone, welcome back to another installation video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Trailblazer and we're going to install the Chrome Delete for the front grille here. This is how the grille looks before the installation, so this is just your default chrome, and this is how it looks after the installation. So as you can see, for this installation we used the gloss black material, that way it matches the front grille color as well as the front pillars. If you guys like how the product looks, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the grille. So we want to remove any contaminants that the grille might have. Just apply slip solution and then just start cleaning off the grille. Once you finish cleaning as well, make sure the area is dry. That way we're able to work with the vinyl. So dry it out. So with this one, you want to align it to this edge first. And now it's going to cover the chrome on both ends. So now with this one, you're just going to help the film curve to the alignment here. It does have enough material to cover the chrome here. So just go like that. Make sure to cover the chrome, and it should wrap around the edge here. And then just finish off this edge here. So make sure you're aligning and covering the chrome as you go. And it should match up to there. And then from here is just grabbing the squeegee and tacking down the vinyl to position. The next thing is to apply heat here. That way the film tacks down to this edge here. And while you're applying heat with your finger, help it tack down. And the same steps we did on this one, we're going to do it to that end. So we want to make sure we apply the bottom pieces first and then we work on top. That way it flows when you're overlapping. Okay, so with this one, what you're going to do is align it to the right in the middle here. That way we are able to continue aligning it to the rest over there. You're going to have extra material towards that end. You could either tuck in or trim the piece off. So you're just going to align it first right here in the middle. So you're going to have material that you're going to need to tuck in towards the top. So roughly around there. And then you just make your way to adjusting the film, aligning it to the curve, and making sure that it covers the chrome. And you just keep going. And then now the rest is just squeegeeing and then sealing it off with heat. So just start squeegeeing from where you started. And now with this extra material here, all you need to do is just trim it off, just as long as you trim off exactly where the chrome will be covered. This piece here, it is going to extend a little bit. It could have enough coverage on the edge here, so just trim it off afterwards with your blade once you tack it down. So all you need is just a small portion of your blade out, or find where the gap is between the grille and this plastic piece. So roughly around there, and then just be careful and start trimming it off. And the same steps we did on this piece here, this upper piece here, we're going to rinse and repeat on that end over there. Once you finish installing all the pieces, the last thing to do is just post heat all around. That way we seal the film and it doesn't lift over time. So just make sure you go all around the corners. And that's it. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the front grille for the 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer. We hope that this video helped you guys with the installation. Please make sure to give the video a like, make sure to subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.